Good evening, sir. My name is Vinamrata. I am from CSCA section. Now I am explaining about the length of the string program. Dot modal small. Dot modal small is used to allocate the memory for the data segments and for the code segments. Dot data. Data segment is declared as dot data. String declarations. String 1, string 2, string 3. String 1, they enter the string. String 2, length of the given string. String 3, 80 dup. Array size, array 80 is the array size. Now db is the defined byte. 0dh is used to carry the data. Dot code is that here we begins the code segment. Move ax comma at the rate data. The data which is present in this data is moved into ax register. Move ds comma ax. Ax register value is then moved into the ds. lea dx comma string 1 the enter the string is loaded into the dx register. Move ah comma 09h. 09h is used to display the string. 09h is moved into the ah register. In 21h to terminate the program. lea si comma str3 string 3 is loaded into the SI register. Move CX comma 0. Then loop 1. Loop 1 we are entering into the loop 1. Now incrementing the SI value. Move AH comma 01H. 01H is used as we read the character. And 01H is then moved into the AH register. Incrementing the CX value into 21H. Move SI comma AL. AL value is then moved into the SI register. Incrementing SI. The value of the SI is then incremented. CMP AL comma 13. Comparing the AL and 13. 13 means the entering key. It is also considered as the character. After then comparing the both AL comma 13. If we both are not equal, then again the loop is started. lea dx comma str2 string 2 the length of the string is loaded into the dx register. Move ah comma 09h. 09h is used to display the string. 09h is then moved into the ax register. Into 21h decrement the value of cx register. Move ax comma cx. Cx value is then moved into the ax register. XOR cx comma cx. Here XOR operation is then performed between two CX registers. The contents present in these registers are then cleared. Move bx comma 10. 10 value is then moved into the bx register. L2 is then now it is a loop 2. XOR operation is performed between dx and dx registers. After performing the XOR operation between these two dx registers, the contents present in these dx registers are then cleared. Div bx. The division operation is then performed between dx and bx register, and the result is stored in bx register. Push dx. We have to enter the character into the dx register. Incrementing cx. The value of cx register is then incremented. OR operation is then performed between two ax registers. If OR operation is failed, both ax registers are not equal, then the loop again jumps into the starting position. Move ah comma 02h. 02h is used to display the character. 02h is then moved into the ax register. L3 is the loop 3. Pop dx. Removing the character from the dx or dl 030h. 030h is used for the ASCII value conversion. DL comma 030h is OR operation is then performed between them. Move AH comma 4CH. 4CH value is then moved into the AX register. Into 21H is used to terminate the program. And now output. Enter the string. We are entering the string as the Vinamra. Length of the string is the result. 7. We get 7 as the result.